from when you fitted, he.
Yes, yeah, of course, of course.
Thank you. You know from when you fitted, he. You know from when you fit drop like a mango drop from tree. You know from when you fit rotten like a pear rotten. You know from when God fit take
Hey.
you.
Oh, I'm sorry. He was a good man, yeah.
Can I give you some extra minutes, please?
Of course, I'm so sorry.
You see, you're ugly. Eh? You did ugly when you was alive, you know. But now you're ugly, but you say you feel about one three-legged donkey. Eh? You say you're not big like one George and your mouth shrivel up like one raisin.
Hey, I just wanted to let you know that. I've let them know, but everyone's waiting outside. I just thought I would let you know. Of course. Okay, no problem. Okay.
Me did tell you, you know, God not sleep. Him did a watch. And you say no, you think I even here go? A hell you go, man. A hell.
2 more minutes? Okay.
But no, man, Freddy. You smell molly, you pity them couldn't wipe your lung or something, man. No, sir, them they say a heart attack you die from, you know. But you smell like a one poop kill you, man. No, sir, I definitely hell you go.
Hey, I'm really sorry, but everyone's waiting outside.
I think I already know. I can't take a smell.
The what?
The pain. I can't take the pain.
This is probably none of my business, and I know you're hurting, but you're wearing red. Why are you wearing
Because
red?
I don't want him follow me after the red was his favorite color, you know. Yeah, man.
Oh, I'm so sorry.